This is some of the middle-aged girls' room. It's also soil on the floor, it's not cemented. Some of the girls are here. This is where they sleep. This is where they sleep. One of the big girls. What's your name? Mary who? Mary Wairimo. What class are you in? You're in class 4. How old are you? It's Mary Wairimo. She's 14. She's in class 4. She's one of the bigger girls we have around. You stay in this room or the other one? You stay in this room. Okay. And this is the room for the big ones. This is where the big girls stay. And this is who? Winnie. Winnie is still in her uniform. And you? Huh?
Leah.
Leah who? Leah Amboi. How old are you, Leah?
14.
14. And what class are you in?
Class 8.
You're in class 8. So you're doing your exams this coming week, yeah?
Yes.
Wow, wish you all the best, yeah? And you're in class what, Winnie?
4.
Class 4. Okay. And there's a baby here. Where is the mother of the baby? She's outside. This baby belongs to one of the girls that stays here. She came here when she was pregnant. Okay. So this is the room for the bigger ones. And as you can see also the floor. How many are you in this room? 8. There are 4 beds here and 8 girls share. So each bed is occupied by 2 girls. Okay. And the baby? With 2 girls. 2 girls and the baby. Okay. All right. Thank you.